Benjamin Franklin once said, "Time is a scarce resource, and once lost, it's never found again." We asked David Delrahim, a mental wellness expert, about the value of time and how to make the most of it.
In order to understand the value of time, we have to understand what time is. Time is a vessel. That's all it is. And the vessel is here to carry something. That something that is inside the time vessel is us, our consciousness, our thought process, our intentions, and our actions. As we go through the life journey and we are aging, we are so slave of this time, we allow the time to drive us. I am the master, and time is my slave.
David reminds us to be mindful of time.
If we do something amazingly, if we really are mindful about how we spend our time, wisely, meaningful, that is one value. But if we're just gonna waste it, then there's another value. So who creates the value for the time? We do. We're the driver. It's all up to us what we do. And that's just the value. If we are in the state of creation, if we create, it's a huge value. If we are destructive, very negative value. Are we making a difference? We have to ask this question from ourselves. At any given time, am I making a difference? Not in your own life, but life of whole. And that should be our value system for our time. Not in a selfish way, but in a more of a collective consciousness way. Life is about action. We think, we analyze, we feel, and then we have to act. That is the best use of time. If we think, if we analyze, and we even feel, and we stop right there, and there's no action, nothing happens. It's as we haven't done any of those three things. And that would be such a waste. If you're really feeling, take an action. And that could be saying something kind to someone. That's an action. That's a positive action. And spend your time in positivity and positive actions. In Persian culture, we have an amazing say. We say, life is not measured by the length, but by the width. It's what you do. It's the action within the vessel of the time, which you are the driver of that vessel. You are sitting behind that wheel. What you do, how you drive, that's what matters, not the time.